All right, we have some news just coming in. This has got to do with an update as far as the army vehicle accident matter is concerned. A death toll has now risen to 4, unfortunately, in the Bandipora accident. Injured Jawans are being treated at a hospital. The army truck plunged into a gorge. It belonged to 13 Rashtriya Rifles. This is an accident that took place in Bandipora and Kashmir, where an army truck plunged into a gorge, killing 4 Jawans. There are others who've just been rushed into a hospital where they're continuing to get treated there. 4 Jawans have died. Let's take a listen.
यहाँ पर आज एक एक्सीडेंट आ गया जिसमें 5 बंदे जख्मी थे, उनमें से 2 की ब्रॉड डेड थे, तो 3 हमने रेफर किए। अभी आप देख रहे हैं हमारा जो अमला लगा हुआ है इस पे, और हमने उनको रेफर कर दिया 3 को।
तो यहाँ से कहाँ पे पेश आया?
यहाँ से ये जाएंगे मानसबल, वहाँ से फिर चौपर से वो पहुँच जाएंगे श्रीनगर।
तो हादसा कहाँ पे पेश आया?
ये यहाँ पर जो सिवा रोड जहाँ पर है रास्ते में।
Getting in more details on that story. Unfortunately, Mir, the death toll now has risen to 4. If you could give us an idea about the other Jawans who are right now recuperating in a hospital, how serious is their condition?
Well, Sneha, these Jawans were critically injured. Now, the latest bit of news is that unfortunately 2 more have succumbed to their injuries, taking the death toll to 4. While there are at least 3 more who have been taken to Manasbal, and from there, chopper lifted for specialized treatment to 92 Base Hospital of the Army in Srinagar. Now, as we reported earlier, it was a tragic accident where this army truck, which was carrying Jawans from one location to the other, while negotiating a sharp curve. As you know, Kashmir right now, roads are icy because of recent snowfall and minus temperatures. So probably while trying to tackle a curve, he lost control and it fell into a gorge, as you rightly said. Fell from a height, and that really led to these casualties. Now, these Jawans, rest of them who are injured are said to be stable. They have been specialized treatment. 4 were, in fact, 7 were initially injured. 2 lost their lives on the spot, while 5 were evacuated to the hospital. Now, 2 more have succumbed to the injuries. So death toll has increased to 4. And rest are injured, 3 are injured, and they are basically recuperating in a hospital.
All right, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Mir Farid getting us up to speed with those details. Very tragic incident that Mir is reporting on from Bandipora in Kashmir, where an accident has taken place, taking the lives of 4 Jawans. There are others who've been rushed to a hospital and are getting treated there.